Akiaria icera-inĩ kĩganda-inĩ kĩa ũtumi wa nguo kĩa Bendi Naikuru ya ithũĩro, gavana wa Naikuru Ricky Nyanjui nĩagathĩrĩirie ikinya rĩrĩa rĩtacũkĩtio nĩ kambuni ĩno harĩ ũthondeki wa irembeko cia kũhumbĩra kanua na maniũrũ.
To thank the Bendi company for the innovation. The closure of imports and international markets meant that a lot of companies that were oriented for the export market could no longer sell. And consequently, they had to lay off people because they were not able to sell out there.
Kiganda gĩkĩ nĩ kĩmwe kĩa iganda iria irĩ igweta bũrũri-inĩ na nja wa bũrũri harĩ ũtumi wa nguo na iria mĩhang'o yao ĩrĩga gũthingithio na njĩra nene nĩ kĩng'ũki kĩa COVID-19.
We are extremely happy that we were the first factory to innovate and to think differently, that what can we do with our labor force, what can we do with our factory, how can we keep providing an economic life to our workers, and what should we do? So there was a challenge put upon me that we would like you to help Kenya, to help the Ministry of Health, to help the frontline workers with protective wear.
Kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kĩganda gĩkĩ Jaswinda Bendi, marĩ na itanya rĩa kuongerera namba ya aruti a wĩra kuma 400 nginyagia 800 nĩguo kũmahotithia gũtuma irembeko ici na njĩra nene.
We would like you to help Kenya, to help the Ministry of Health, to help the frontline workers with protective wear. I'm very happy to say we took this challenge, and over 2 weeks we did enough research, development, consulted, discussed with global players who are in this field, and we have made a prototype which has been approved by the Kenya Bureau of Standards, by the Ministry of Health, and yesterday, day one of our production, we've actually started production.
Makiria ni augite mari na itanya rĩa kũruta wĩra mathaa 24 harĩ mũthenya nĩguo kũmahotithia gũthondeka irembeko 20,000 oro mũthenya.
Day one of our production, we've actually started production. Our capacity per day initially is going to be 5,000 sets, and each set is going to constitute 7 pieces, and then we're going to ramp it up to 10,000, 20,000 sets a day as we expand in the region and to service the entire continent of Africa.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wang'ombe wa Maina.